I'll just pull it and leave it on. I've got the string here, but that's if you're going to put it in a closet, storage room, underneath your stairs, something like that. But because I've got this connected to a light switch, I'm not going to need that, am I? But I'm going to keep that. I'll probably never use it, but I'll throw it in with all my electrical stuff when it's all said and done. And this one gave me three little screws. The last one gave me just 2. I was having a hard time screwing them up into the little plastic box, but now I remember that other box that I had was slightly different than these, and it'll still work though. So I used the screws that came with the little plastic box. Okay. Now, before I hold that up there, I'm gonna measure that. See, okay, this one's 2 3/4 from screw to screw, and on this where the holes are, let's see. See, it's 3 1/2, and there's smaller little areas back here, and that's 2 3/4. So I've got to break that. I got to break that little bit out of there, and let's see. I guess I do it just from this back side. Get my goggles on. It's just the plastic, you know. That one came through, but this one I'm going to have to kind of work at. Come on. I'm afraid to poke my finger on there. And see, I can't. Jeez. They make it difficult on me. I'll have to put it up there, and then I can break it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it so that this electrical outlet is facing. Let's see. If I do it there, it's facing that way. I'll have it facing this way. Doesn't really matter. Okay, now I can maybe take my screwdriver. Oh, okay. Okie dokie. That's kind of sketch how they did that. Jeez. Does it have to be that difficult? Does it really have to be that difficult? Good grief. Maybe it's oh, you know what? That one's set up where you can put it in here first, I think. Let's see where the hole is right there. We'll see if that's correct or not. Shall we? Is that even going? Come on. I think it is. I got the light right in my way. There's 2 little holes up there. I think I'm putting it in the right. I thought I was putting it in the right hole. Good Lord. This was the light that was supposed to be the easiest Come on. It's like it doesn't. There. I think it's that hole. I don't know what that other hole was for. It's hard to see what the dealio is here. And then I think I could fish this over it and then slide it over like that is what's supposed to happen. Because there's a little wire in there that it holds on to. Let's see. You kidding me? It doesn't seem to want to. Doesn't seem to want to go up there all the way. Nope. It's almost like the screw's too long or something. Jeez. Good grief. See, there's two different oh, brother. Unbelievable, huh? See, I don't think it's supposed to go in that hole. And I don't know why it's not going. Hey, I'm leaving the camera go because I would have to mess with this anyways. You know what I mean? Good Lord. I hope I don't have to cut that off with a hacksaw or something. Why would I have to do that? Why on earth would I have to do that? This one will go now. I don't know exactly what the deal is there. It's giving me fits. There's two holes side by side, and it's like, why won't it go? Wondering if I have to cut the actual screw off or something. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? I think I'm gonna have to go get another screw. A shorter one is my guess. And that one's hard to get in there too. You know, I have some screws. I'm gonna go get some smaller screws, some wood screws that will work way better than these. I don't know what box you're supposed to put these screws in, but it's sure not working very well. So I'm gonna have to go out and I'll be right back with some different screws so we can get this fixed and done. I was hoping never to have to go through that crawl hole again. I had to go out and find some different screws. I don't know why those screws are not fitting. I've got some little wood screws, and those should go up in there just fine. Okay. This thing, see, it just overlaps like that onto the hole. Before I tighten it up all the way, I'll find this one. I had to break this side out to fit up in the screw hole. Boy, it's hard to see it there, I think. No, I missed it. Oh, come on. Where is it? I'm not sure if I got it there or not. I think I did. Okay, that's good. Jeez. Ah. The light bulb in. Make sure that's tight. I like to try not to put the bulb in so tight that you can't take it out or anything. And like I say, the pull chain is here on the back. After I get the power back on, I'll have to come over here, pull the chain to the on position, obviously when I have the light switch on, and then I'll just leave it on. And then I'm going to actually plug something into this side. I've never put one in with the electrical outlet on it as well, but it didn't look like it took any special directions or knowledge into how to do it. Okay. Man, it took me longer than I thought. I thought this was supposed to be the easy one. I've got one more light to install. And I'll probably make a video. I'll probably make a quick video of that too, a separate video. In case you want to watch that, it'll be on my channel. I'm getting to be an old man. I can't do this 8 hours a day anymore like I used to. Okay, thanks again for joining me, and we'll check out that light after I get it on and turned on. I'll come back down here after I turn the electrical breaker on. It's always best to do that after you hook something up. I'm not going to have that as part of this video. It'll be a part of another video. But whenever I get done with anything, even if I think I've hooked it up fine, I turn the breaker on and I'll come all the way back down in here, crawl all the way back down here to make sure this works and it's on and the electrical outlet's working. It's just the safe thing to do.